We're known for quality and good service. And yeah, that comes with some time attached to it. Like I said, you know when you start, you don't know when you finish. This is the cabinet part of the vanity because we have the countertop. This is going to be the actual box that's under the vanity. I'll be like, hey, it's done! See? Put a sign at the beginning of the street, the Marketplace Avenue here, Hollywood Boulevard. The design was made by Michael for the vanity. Yuana went and took the measurements, and then I created it in Fusion 360. And I could have just left it at that. I did the design, sent it to Montreal, they're gonna cut it, put it together. But I wanted to cut it here because in Montreal they're gonna be using exactly the same CNC as the one I have here. So whatever could go wrong here, it's gonna go wrong there as well. Yeah, so one, I'm 100% sure that the file that I created can be cut on the CNC. And then I have also put it together physically, built the whole vanity, because there might be little issues when they put it together. So if they call me and ask me, like, look, I have this issue, something doesn't line up. Like I discovered cutting the front, that ribbed panel, that flexible panel, I cut it exactly to size and then tried to line up everything. It doesn't really work. You have to cut it a little bit larger, attach it to the vanity, and then cut the excess away. So again, this is the kind of stuff that I'm trying to catch when I'm doing the development of a project. You cut once, and then you force to fit. Look at this. Somebody presents an idea for something that needs to be made, automatically something, I don't know exactly how, I see it, like, okay, I'm gonna do it like this and like that, but that doesn't mean that is the only way of doing something. The main thing was that cove in the top. Automatically, I knew that I needed thicker material in order to carve that. So there were a lot of little details that just fell into place as soon as I saw the drawings. And my initial idea had to be slightly tweaked and adjusted, because the deeper I would go into it, or closer I would be to cutting, actually, to starting the manufacturing, a lot more details would show their face. Like, hey, if you do this curved panel in the front, you have to take into account the thickness of the panel. Then it means that the countertop needs to be thicker. Then you have to decide, does it go from wall to wall, or you have a spacer? Or how is it going to go in the room? You don't have a door to that bathroom that's the width of the vanity. So that vanity is going to have to be put on an angle, go through the doorway, and then you're going to have to turn it horizontal to install it on the wall. If I make it wall to wall, it's going to be too big. The diagonal from the bottom corner to the top corner opposite side will not allow it to go in the room. So I had to make it a little bit smaller. This is stuff that I didn't think of when I saw the plans. Initially, I see something and there are ideas of how to put it together. But then when you start working at it, there's a lot of details that have to be taken into account.